Are you facing difficulties installing TurboTax on your Windows PC due to an error related to runtime140 dll or MSVCP140 dll? Don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple solution. Firstly, navigate to the provided link in the video description, which will direct you to the Microsoft website. Once there, locate the section titled Visual Studio 2015 and download both the x86 and x64 files. After downloading, run the x86 executable file. If prompted, select the repair option if the software is already installed or proceed with the installation if it's not. Similarly, run the x64 executable file, following the same process of repair or installation as before. Upon completion of the installations, restart your computer as prompted. After restarting your system, attempt to install or launch TurboTax again. You should now be able to do so without encountering the previous error. Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.